it's not just video content. We also have live content. And you can see down below here, we have the Felix Live webinar program. In the Felix Live program, you can see that in most weeks, we're running at least 2 topics. So in the current week, we've got a lateral hire program, and the lateral hire program is over a 12-week period with a webinar every week. And then we have our regular cadence of webinars that happen every Friday, but they're repeated 3 times. So this means it covers both the time zone in Hong Kong, New York, and London. And it's easy to register. Just click register and it will take you to the Zoom page that you can sign up. Now, if you've missed the webinar, no problem, because we also have the recording of the prior webinars too. And if you undertake the webinar, you can ask the instructor live questions about the topic. And that means you can get answers direct. And we're always adding new webinars, and the cadence or the complexity of the webinars change through the year. So during the internship time, they tend to be more basic, and then they get more advanced as we move through the year. So Felix Live is a huge advantage, and you can integrate that into your continuing education program for your analysts. Now that's most of the learning content in the system,